create a video. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a website from scratch. So you just need a clean page. You just need a clean page because all of these content are useless. You don't need that, right? So what we are going to do, just click on the setting. There's a setting tab, setting button. You can see, right? Just click on this, right? And there's a page layout. Have you seen this?
Yes.
Just click on this and Elementor canvas. Once it's done, you see the preview and it is blank. All of the content is gone, right? And you have a blank page. Just update the page all the time. Just don't forget to update the page, right? Once it's done, just go back to your front end and control F5 to reload to check. Yeah, it is blank now. So you can paint something or you can design something as you want. Okay. So there's two tabs, it's a plus and a add template. Add template means there's already predefined templates, or you can create your own template, right? But we are not going to use this one. We are going to use this add new section because you just need a section so that you can create a website from section wise. Okay, and this is your like main section. This is not an inner section. There's two types of section and the main section, and on the inner section, on the section there's an inner section, so you can add the content over the section, right? Because there's a background image, na? This background image is used in the section, not inner section, and this content is used in inner section. Okay, inner section means the background image, the background something, the background, all of these things, right? So how you can use, so you are using this a front, the front layout, this layout, right? So just click on this, the whole section, right? And it is a block, it is a boxed layout or a full width layout. The front view.
The box layout.
No, the background image is block or a
The
full
background
width.
image is full.
Obviously, the background image is used in what? The section that you can
Yes.
create. So the see here, and this is your section tab, and this is your column tab. This is called column, and this is called section. In the section, there is two: the column and the section. Okay, blue means section, and the black this dot means column. Okay. So and the plus sign means you can create a section. You can create a section in above, or you can delete the section, right? And this dots means edit section, and this cross means delete, right? Once see, when you click outside, in the left hand side, you'll see the difference. Just click on the outside. Just click outside, right? And all of these boxes are like widgets, called widgets. Okay. So if you want to add this section, you just click on this and see the left hand side. Just click, and there's a setting of this section. Okay, right? So how there's a content width and it is locked. Oh, sorry, boxed. Right? You just need a full width. Just click on the full width.
But if I want.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah. Column gap means this column. If it is different columns. If you want to create a different column, so how you can create two columns, or three columns, or four columns? How you can create this one, this column? See, just right click and duplicate. There's one column and second column. You will click again, right click and duplicate. You'll see one, two, three columns. Right? You can create any.
Okay, this is the case you want to put like a logo here.
Yes, this one, this first column,
Yeah.
second column, and the third column. And this thing is like one column, but no, it's a three column. this column, and this column, so that you can center it. Right, three columns, but the main center column
Okay,
is
so
bigger than these, right? And all of these contents are used. Fine, fine, right? Don't create. I just tell you. I'll just delete this column. So right click and delete. I just delete. Not, I'm deleting column, not section. Okay, this is your section, not column, and this is your this is your column, right? I'm just deleting this column, not section, and this is your column, right?
Yes.
Only one column I have. Fine.
Fine.
Take it. So you just click on this, and there's a full width, and column gap means with no gap. You just need you don't need that. If you want, just use, right, according to your requirement, right? So, and there's a height. See,
Yes.
height, when you click on this, there's a fit to screen and minimum height. Fit to screen means you see the this thing, you see the like one page, not how I'll tell you. You see the section, but not the whole website. You see the only the layout of this website, only the first screen you'll see.
Okay.
Only first screen you'll see there's a fit to screen. Fit to screen means this screen is fit to this website, not the whole website.
Okay.
Once it scroll, there's a lot of sections, right? Right. So this section is fit to screen.
Okay. Yes.
You got my point?
Yes.
So you just click on the height and fit to screen. You'll see the section is bigger.
Okay. And if I click on in min height, that
Minimum height means you can customize the height.
okay. Yes, I get it.
Okay. And yeah, and the main important thing is the column position. Column position means you can put some you can put some content like this one. If you want to put this content in here, you just need a column, not section. Section means background. Column means you can put the content. And inner section, and once leave that, just go back. And if you want to create a website, and your approach of the website designing will be top to bottom, not middle to bottom.
You talk about it.
Yes.
Yes.
So this column will be
Oh,
in top,
okay.
right?
Yes.
Right. And that's it. Your section is ready.
And what is content position? Content position.
Content position, content, once you, when your content is there, that you can customize it,
Okay.
but you don't have content, huh? So just leave these things and just go back. Just click on the style tab,
Fine.
and there's a background tab. You have a classic, gradient, and video,
Okay.
right? You just click on the classic, and there's an image.
Okay.
Just click on this and upload file. Just upload that image that you
That
accepted.
one.
Yeah, background one. Just drag and drop, or you can select this image. I'll just update it and insert media. See,
Finally. Okay. Okay.
this one is not working, no?
This one's working and my video is not working.
In MacBook, yes, sorry, MacBook.
Click here.
Yeah, just insert media. Done. Yeah, you have to customize this thing, because this food, this all of this stuff are here and here and here, right? But your content is not here. See, you're missing this side,
Yes.
right? This thing.
Yes.
So yeah. So position will be center. Position will be center.
Yes.
Same this.
Right.
Wait. And the size of the background image will be covered. Once it's done, you have a covered.
What is the meaning of setter? Why you choose this one and not?
There's a web page,
Yeah.
and the background image will be this thing. Once you select center, the background image will be this is your web page, right? Center means the background image will be this. And once you choose cover, the background image will be,
Okay.
and this is your web page, and background image will be once you choose cover. Fine, right? So once it's done, just click on the update button, update, and in front end just reload it. Okay. So what we are going to do? Hello.
Now I have to add three.
Now you have to make this. What is this called?
Enough one.
Yes, now. So how you can create? Just leave this thing in here. Just go back in front end and open the dashboard in new tab.
Okay. I should go back where?
Front end,
Yes.
and then just open. No, wait. Don't click it.
No.
Just click. Just hover it. Just hover it.
On project.
Just hover it. Not project. Click on the dashboard in new tab. Oh gosh. Leave. This one dashboard.
Okay.
Open a new tab. Open in new tab.
Yes. Let me see. Okay. Yes.
Where's your back?
Yes.
Where's your front end? Good. So, firstly, you have to make. See, this navigation bar is divided in two parts. First is this one, and second one is this one.
First, I'm not understand something.
What?
This is a page. This one is a page, and this one is a new page. How is it happening?
I don't understand.
Actually, this is a page.
Yeah.
Replicate this page.
What?
How can I go back to see what was the main page before this one? What was the page before this one? Before we start.
Okay. You can go to this thing and click on the this tab above. Click on this, and there's the exit to dashboard.
Okay, yes, I was talking about this one. Okay.
Just click on the edit with Elementor. Yeah. So you have to create two menus for this one and for this one. Fine.
That means I can close this one, no? No, this is my front end.
This is your front end,
I
yeah?
have to close it.
Yeah. Just go to dashboard, appearance, menus. Dashboard, appearance, and menus. Yes, we are too slow. We just forgot all of these things. Finally. Right. So you have an option, create a new menu because you don't you just you
Customize is where I can put my CSS.
yes. Right. Create a new menu and the and the menu name will be
Please,
baker.
center.
What?
Please, center.
For what?
I want to write something just for this.
Okay.
Customize. And menus used for navigation bar and
Hmm?
menus used for navigation bar. Here, appearance. Menus used
Yes,
for
yes,
navigation
yes.
bar.
Appearance in menus. You just create the menus from here, but you just if you want to show your menu, you have to use Elementor. Okay, where you can show the menu. You just create it, but you where you want to show. Okay.
Yes, then
Then
menu.
just create a new menu. Oh, sorry, menu name. Menu name will be baker. Baker. See, baker left menu. Just like this one. Baker left menu because there's a left menu and there's a right menu.
Okay.
See, left, right.
Yes. Then create.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Okay.
Okay. So for the left menu you just created, you have to put some content like this one. Start about process. Start about process.
Yes.
You just need a content. So how you can put a content? I'll use custom link.
Customize.
Right? Remember the custom link previous. You don't remember. The URL will be hash. You just remember the hash now.
Yes, no, I know.
Okay. URL hash means what?
Encore.
Obviously anchor tag, but hash means what? Why I'm not putting some URL? I'm just putting some hash.
I can have the link also.
What?
I can have the link. I will just have the link when I click create and create a new page. Like new link. Like
Why I'm using hash? Why I'm using pound sign? I can put Amazon, I can put Mantra.com, I can put Amazon.com, but why I'm using hash?
encore
Obviously it's an anchor tag, but why I'm using hash?
for new tab,
No,
new
no,
for link.
no. No, obviously for link, but why I'm using hash instead of some link? I'm using www.amazon.in,
Yes, yes.
but why I'm using hash? Not
And right?
just see. And what is the text? Start about process. Okay. I just created a URL and the link text will be
Start.
start. And there's a add to menu. Right? Again, you have a pound sign and there's a start about. And you have a about add to menu. Again, you have a URL, hash sign, pound sign, and you have a process add to menu. Have you done it?
So start and then
All of this is once you're done, just save the menu.
after start your about Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then
Yes. And if I want to also edit WordPress, right?
what?
If I want to edit this one, that's
Okay, okay. Just click on this.
okay. Move down it, down,
What?
move
Move
down.
down means
How to go?
move down means this. Let's create a new menu again. Oh, have you saved it? Yes, I just saved it. Have you saved it? And the menu name will be Baker. Right menu. Create menu. And the custom link will be products contact us. I'm not using buy now because buy now is just like this is for paid, no? This is for paid thing. So that's why. Hello, hello.
Yes, hello.
Huh? That's why he or she is using buy now. So they can click on this and go back to
Why
this
have you not started creating the new menu of logo?
menu. This is an
Yeah,
image. This is not a
yeah,
menu.
but I mean like, okay. But there is some links, some websites like this one. This is a website, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me click right here. But if I click on the menu, it's going back to
This is
uh,
not a menu. This is a logo.
the logo with yes, with why?
Because it
The other link.
obviously it just add a link on this image, na? On the image means the logo. Logo is just an image, na?
Yes.
So you can put the link on this image.
No. I mean, if I click on it, it's going back to the new the front,
The home page,
the
na?
home page.
Obviously
Yes.
you just put some link.
Okay. That mean I can do also the same thing here. Okay.
Add another menu, hash products
The here.
hash. I'm not using buy now. I'm just using services instead of buy now. Services
You have not saved it. Why are you using hash
hash what?
hashtag?
Why I'm using hashtag?
It's for a link.
Always this for link, but why I'm using hashtag instead of Amazon.com or Myntra.com or any other link?
Because if you use Amazon.com, it's going to link in Amazon.com.
So
Amazon.com is not your pay.
because it's a demo link. Once it click, it nothing happens. That's why I'm using hash,
Okay.
right? The client will be irritated once you click and right. I'm using these all of these things and just save menu. Save the menu.
Same.
What?
Same.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you just created it. So now what we are going to do, we have to show these menus in here. Okay. So firstly, just go back in here,
Yes.
and you have some space in above. Then you have a content,
Yes.
right? So just go back in here, and you just add an inner section, so you can put some content. Okay. So just drag. What? What happened?
Um,
I already told you, just open in new tab also. You just clicked it. And where's your front end?
yeah.
Oh, where? The front end. This thing. This the front end. This one.
It's here.
Front end.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So and just go back. Intersection, drag and drop it here in this column. In this main section column. Right. Once it's done, there you have a two columns. One in here and second one is here. See,
Yes.
this is not a main section. This is the intersection. Remember,
Yes.
right? So there's a three menu, a three column. One, two, three. Got it. Duplicate. I'm just creating a duplicate one, and you have a three column. One, two, and three. Right? But you just need. You don't need a, yeah. You just go back into widget. Click on this nine dots. Hmm?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So just search nav. Oh, wait. You just created a menu in here, but you don't reload. But you have to reload this page also, na? And you already reloaded, I guess. Just reload it again. I just update the page and reload it. So that menus will be showing in here. Okay. Okay.
But I only have one now.
Be- Because you don't update it. I already told you. This is not an intersection.
No, I'm in here.
This is not an intersection. This is not an intersection.
Yes, I want
This
to
is not
add.
an intersection. Just add an intersection.
Yeah.
It's a section, not an intersection.
I'm not getting. Okay.
Create a duplicate. Yeah. So just search.
Okay, I have to click on update.
Obviously, I already
Yeah,
told
that's
you.
why I thought
You don't follow my steps. Just search nav. Just search nav.
this is next now.
Nav. Drag and drop it here.
Which is not this.
There,
Okay,
this one,
not
this one,
bad.
this one, this one, this one, this one,
Okay.
this one. Nav and drop it here. And you have a start about process.
Yeah.
You see,
Yes.
start about process. And second menu is product contact us, this one. So click on this. Again, click on the widget side, and again nav, and again drag, and drop it here.
Why not if I can just search from here?
If you want to add again new menu na, so you have to choose again nav menu, nav
Okay.
widget. So that's why it shows you another.
Okay, then I have to choose what.
Yeah, right one.
Okay. Update.
Yes, update. You can customize the space, Grace.
Yes.
You can customize the space. This thing between the columns, there's a line. Between the column, there's a line. You can customize the space. You can increase or decrease it according to your requirement.
Okay.
Yeah. So now what we are going to do. नहीं आज मेरे पास है चले
Yeah.
चले आगे. Okay. So I'm not going to use the CSS right now. I'm just putting some that logo also. So just go back widget and there's an image where there's one image.
Yes.
Got it? Drag and drop it between this. हाँ इधर रुको. आ गए क्या वो? हाँ बिठा दे. अगर टाइम है बैठ गया यहीं बिठा दे तो. आप बिठा दे. हाँ.
Okay.
हाँ. You just choose the image. Just choose and upload the image that you extracted. Bigger one and insert media. Oh, you have an image. Oh, I mean you have a logo. Right. So
But why mine is big?
you can customize it. Wait. You can customize it. Just go back. I will click on the style, and there's a width. You can increase or decrease. Uh,
Style.
yeah. That's it. That's it. Right. Hello,
Hello.
hello. Okay. So
Wait.
just update the page.
Style.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. So we just need a space in above
Yeah.
in both of three columns.
Yes.
See, there's a spacer. Just drag and drop it here. See, drop it here. Here, there's a blue line. All of these column, right? Just drag, just drop it, and you can manage the space in like this one. Hey, either see, and just puts here 110 pixels and update it and reload it. You have content. Check in front end. Yeah. Oh, whoa. See the difference? The both are same in, but in your case, check. You just drag the, see, just drag this thing. Remember? So just manage. Just manage it later. Just leave this thing. Just leave this thing
Should we do?
from now.
Not nice.
Just leave this thing. No, we can do later. See, the menu,
Okay.
the menu is in here, in the same in the left side, and the same in the left side. But the menu is smaller and the color is white. Okay, but in my menu, the menu will be like in hover, the dark inside, or this way. You have to customize it. The color.
Yes.
So how you can customize it? Just choose this menu. Just click on this edit menu. Uh,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
and there's a pointer and which is underline. Pointer means the underline. See, there's an underline,
Okay.
but you don't need that. You just none. You don't need the underline, right? And go back to style. Go back to style, and there's a text color. Choose the text color will be white. Fine.
Okay.
And the font size and the font family will be, you don't know the font family, you don't know the font size, right?
Yes.
So how you can choose the font family, how you can find the font family? Just inspect, I'll select it, and there it is. Font family will be
See.
font family.
No. Molly, Sayan.
Now
Yeah.
Muli, comma, RL, comma, Thermos, comma, sans serif. So first font family is the main font family, and the rest of the font family is for the backup. It means Muli is not working, then Arial is working. If then Arial is not working, then Thermos is working. If Thermos is not working, then sans serif. And sans serif is always working because it's already pre-installed in your web browser. Fine.
Okay.
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 And the font size will be,
See.
yeah. So just go back in here, and there's a typography. Just click on this. You have a family. Just click on this, write Muli, and you have a Muli. Just choose the Muli. Li, right? See, once I choose, the menu will be like this one. Menu shows me this one, right? But I have a menu like in a row. So what I am going to do, just drag it here. Just a little bit drag it here because the column is smaller now. So that's fine.
Yes.
Okay. And the font size will be again typography, and the font size will be 15 pixel. 15. I'm just using 15, but I'm using 17. 17 is good.
Okay. I do the same also for.
See, Grace, the logo and the menu is not same. Alignment. The menu is above and the logo is like between. The menu will be in between, no?
Yes.
Right? So what we are going to do, I'm using vertical padding so that the menu will be in center. The menu will be in center.
It's okay.
It's already center. Right? So I'm just going to update it and check the check in front end. Oh, it's good.
But if I want to move my inner center, content, how can I move it? If I
What?
want to move it, this one, that left side, how can I move it? Like, if I want to move it to the right.
Okay. Just click on the content
Yeah.
and there's alignment, left, center, right.
Okay. Download.
And same as for this one, and same as for this menu. This menu. Okay. So what we are going to do, just edit this, just just leave. See, just edit it. You can guide me. You can guide me. What we are going to do?
Um, left, no,
Underline will be none.
yes.
Then go to style, typography, font will be
Move
Mooli, Aloo Gobi Mooli.
it.
Right?
Okay.
But my font size will be
Okay.
not. My font size will be 17.
Wow.
Am I?
It's on the same size actually.
No, I'm not using 15. I'm just using
Okay, okay,
17.
okay.
It's my choice. Who are you? Okay,
Four, two,
I'm just using the text color also, the white one, and I don't know the vertical padding in here, so I'll just click on this and click on this, and I have a vertical padding 36. So just click on the this thing, and vertical padding will be 36. Same thing.
okay.
Okay, and the font alignment, the alignment will be in center, the content and center. So these all these things are same, and this updated and the loaded. Check. Oh, you have good and now good to go.
What is the fading button?
Padding creates a space between the border. Just create this one. Just create this thing. We make the world a better place. Just create this. Create it. This. How you can create it? Just let me know.
Sorry.
How you can create this thing?
I'll add a new section.
Yes. Then. Oh, what? Why are you using new section? You are using new inner section, not section.
Okay.
Just delete this. Close it.
Uh,
I don't know. Oh, what?
let's see.
Have you updated? No, you have to customize it.
Oh, the customer.
Yeah.
Why?
Obviously, this menu and this menu are same now. This menu and this menu are not different.
um,
This time. So firstly, we are going to create a new section and for the three columns. So one column is this, one column is this, and the third column will be in center, and which is bigger, right? So
add a new tab.
duplicate
Okay.
and just drag like 10.1% and drag 10 right, and you have a section
Yes.
like this one, right? So what we're going to do, just click on this and you have a text editor. Just drag and drop it in here.
Why
Not in
Why
here,
not heading?
because if you're using heading, there's a predefined. I'll show you. If you're using heading, there's a some line in here.
Okay.
There's a text. There's a small line, but I don't need that. You have a line. You have a line.
No, there's no line.
So that's why I'm using this.
Okay.
So drag and drop it here. And visual means you can use some text, but in sorry, you can use only text. But in text you can use HTML and CSS also. Okay.
Okay.
So just I'm just removing and we make the world a better place.
What does it mean?
I don't know. We make the world. We make the world a better place. In second line, so I'm using
Voice.
yeah. What is it?
Uh,
A better place. A better place, right?
yes.
So just leave this. Just go back in style. Text color will be white, and typography. What's the font name? And just inspect it. Just- What is it? Vido Loca.
Vida loca.
Vida Loca. Typography search Vida Loca. And the font size will be 80 pixels. 80. And alignment will be in center, na? Center. Text alignment.
Yes, yes.
So and the back and the
Line height.
oh, you are so intelligent. And so I'm just using the line height.
This is my common sense.
You have some comments.
It's coming back.
It's coming back. It's good. Good for you. Okay. So in the logo and the text between some space, right? So what am I going to do? Just leave it here and just go back to the widgets and there's a spacer and drag and drop it here. Here. Not here, you can use here, but I'm using here. Outside of the section. Okay. That's it. Only 50 is good. I'm just going to update it and reload the page. Oh, yeah.
Ready?
No, at home. Right. Next, next we have a small text. Again, you can use text editor.
Yes.
Okay, but I'm not using this one. I'm going to show you how you can create a button. Right. So just go back in here, and I'm using another inner section in here. This one, right? You have a two buttons. I'm using two buttons, two columns, sorry, right? And this space between, I'm using four columns, not two. This one is first button, this one is second button. So
Okay. And we're deleting that.
yes, yes. So just go to widgets and just write button. So you have a button, just drag and drop it here. You have a button, right? I'm just using in the center, and small, not small, medium. Medium is good, not medium, it's large, not large.
No,
Medium is good. Yeah, medium is good. Go to style, and you have a color. What's the color? And yeah, this one, right? Background color will be this, but it's in RGB. But you just need a hexadecimal color, no? So how you can create? Just click on this, and these are the arrows. You can click on this. You have a HSL. Click on this. You have a hexa.
I what?
Hexa. Hexa color. Are color code.
Yes, good. FZAA.
It's a color code.
Yeah.
We are not using red, blue, green.
Yes.
We are using hexadecimal.
Yes.
I don't
I
know.
got
I
it.
don't know you remember or not, but you just Google it. I'm not going to take it the class from the scratch again. Okay.
No, it's okay.
Otherwise, your course will be like finish in next year, in next November. Right. So just copy the code and go back. Nee, go back in here, and you have a text color. You don't need a text color. You just need a background color. Right. Just click on this. There's a hex and paste. Fine.
By the way, okay.
I'm using because this button is increased in the left and the right side, not top and bottom, because top and bottom is good, but I just need a top and bottom little bit. So I'm using padding, remember the padding, no?
Yeah.
So I'm just using, once you click in 1 pixel, 12 pixel, 3 pixel, 120, I mean 123 pixel. So it increases from the top and bottom left, all of the sides. But I just need I don't need different values. So I just unclick this thing, and from the top I just need a 20 pixel, and from the bottom I just need a 20 pixel. Okay, and from the left and from the right I just need a 40 pixel, not 40, I just need a 60 pixel, and from the left I just need a 60 pixel. Okay, fine. So I just need a typography so that the text will be like bigger. So I'm just using a bigger text. Oh, oh, oh. This one is good. Okay, 20 is good. No, the text will be small. And no, I'm not using the text. The text will be default because, and the text about us and content us. So I'm just to change the content about us. Okay. So I'm just using a duplicate of this text, duplicate of this button. So right click on this, not this, because this is column and this is menu. Oh, sorry, button menu. Oh, button editor. Okay, so just click on this and duplicate. You have a duplicate, and just drag and drop it here. Okay, and just going to add it. There's a contact us and style. You have background color will be different. So I'm just using this same, this same, this one. Oh, triple F. Triple F means white. So I'm just using background color will be white, and the text color will be black. Fine.
Uh, why not the same color?
Why?
Why not using the same color for both? Okay.
Same color
Yes.
means
Means same color.
means
That color and
that color and that color are same.
no, this one is nice.
Okay, so I'm using this one. You can update it and reload it. You can put some space between this text and the button.
Should I do?
No. You can just take another session.